Hey guys, so I posted a video last week about all my camera bags. Not gonna lie, it was a little shit. I need to work on my video editing. But in that video I said I was considering getting the 13-litre Peter McKinnon messenger bag. And would you know it, over Black Friday they popped it on sale, so it went from 180 quid down to 153 quid, and it's not even released. So here I have it, got delivered literally 20 minutes ago, so I'm really excited to open this, show you what comes in the box, and give you my first impressions. So let's get into it. So it looks like it comes in the same bag as the other bags do. I do really like these. For the first couple of years I was saving these, and then they're just all kept up in a drawer. I keep the small ones that you get the battery pouches in. They're actually quite useful for cable management. But I'm never going to use this again, so that'll probably end up in the bin. But really cool to receive. So let's get it out. Oh, it feels nice. Okay. Oh, that is a lot bigger. So just for comparison, I've got the 8-litre sling. It is quite a lot bigger. It's a lot deeper as well. There's a lot more space. Again, just initial impressions before I open it up. But I'll keep that to one side. That's really cool. It's got the same texture as the other bags do. I've got some loops here so you can attach some tripods. It's got the same zip, the metal tassel is quite nice. That is a very satisfying opening. Lots of bags, save it getting crushed. Okay. They can fuck off. Okay. Doesn't open up as much as I thought it would, but actually, as that's on you, that's probably just enough for you to get in and out and do what you need to do. As that opens up, it's quite deep as well. Like that's really deep. So my main reason for getting this is I'm thinking I can use this for my video rig, and what I'm hoping is if I take the monitor mount off my camera, I can slide my whole camera setup with the SmallRig battery into one side, and then have the monitor in one of these pockets and then in the other side. Pretty cool. I do like the divider system that these bags provide. Are they the same length? Oh right, okay, so this one's got an actual shelf built into it. So that comes down, you've got a shelf. So when that's in the bag, you can attach that in. You can have one lens here, probably looks the right size for a 50mm. Then you can have spare batteries, drone, whatever else up here. And then this one is the same length, it just doesn't have the dual side. Inside here, you've got two lens cover sleeves. You've also got a zipper pouch, which looks like it's got some cables. Oh, nice. So that is the stabilizing strap that you can, when you pop this on your chest, you attach this to one side, and that goes around just so it stops it wiggling around. This pad feels a lot more padded than the last year. Yeah, the padding on this, obviously because it's going to hold so much more weight, that's actually a lot thicker than the padding on the 8-litre sling. I do like that. I do wish that they would make these detachable. I've seen other companies do similar setups, and it's just a click on and off. The Peak Design one works really well like that. So it would have been nice to have some of those features built in. You've got a loop here to hang it from. You've got the nice handle grab here. Oh, you've also got, oh, I missed this. You've also got what looks like a laptop sleeve. So I reckon that will fit my iPad quite nicely. That's not going to fit my 16-inch MacBook, but that will fit my iPad quite nicely. That goes in very nicely. I like that. And then of course it's got the same lock and loop feature as the 8-litre sling does as well. So you've got this bungee cord that just locks into the top of here. So while you're working out the bag, you can leave it on your shoulder and that will lock in place. And that stops anything really falling out. I do really like this feature. I think it's really unique. It's awesome. I'm a bit of a fanboy for these bags. I love bags. But these are really cool. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're a bit of a fanboy for these bags as well. This is really nice. The same quality. If you've got any of the other Peter McKinnon bags, you'll be really happy with this. These are top quality. They feel really strong. So yeah, next thing I'm going to do is probably kit it out and see if it fits what I need it to fit. Okay, well, it turns out this bag can fit quite a lot in it. So in this bag, I've got it set up already. I've done a bit of testing, moving around. I can fit my R6 gripped up in a cage, my Rode mic NTG, my SmallRig battery, my 50mm 1.2, the dummy battery for the camera, the battery plate for the monitor, the Shinobi 2 Atomos monitor, SmallRig Hawk Lock top handle, audio cable, HDMI, SmallRig video light, PGY Tech SD card case, my Peter McKinnon camera tool, and my 12.9-inch iPad M1 Pro. This is sick. So, now you're going to watch a little time lapse of me putting this together and putting it all in. Oh, there you go. That's my video rig setup completed now with the Peter McKinnon camera bag. I'm super happy with it. I hope you've ordered yours. Let me know what you think. If there's another camera system, a camera bag system out there that I should be looking at, give me a shout. The only thing I wish I'd change about these bags are this detachable handle. I think that's the only improvement I would make to this bag. Otherwise, this is perfect for what I would use it for. As I said in my last video, again, editing was really shit. I don't believe there is anything as a perfect camera bag that you only need to have one. I think a camera bag has a purpose for what its job is. For me, for the video rig, this is perfect for me. So, I have to say, I'm super happy to be adding this to the family. And yeah, you got a big brother now, mate. See you around.